Hello everyone, welcome back to M365 Professionals. Excel for the Web exemplifies the evolution of one of Microsoft's most successful web products. What began as an app used for consumption with files open in View by default has become a full-feature modern spreadsheeting experience. Millions of users rely on the power of Excel in their work. Excel for the Web brings this power to the browser. With Excel for the Web, you can access your spreadsheets on any device from anywhere and collaborate with your colleagues. We've made major investments in Excel for the Web, focusing on performance, reliability, authoring, and collaboration. We are now supporting faster workbook loading, smoother and faster scrolling and cell selection. Now you can work with larger, more complex workbooks that support faster calculations. Files are now open for edit by default. So now you can get your work done with familiar Excel features, such as writing formulas more easily with colored cell references, formatting data with cells and table styles, highlighting data with conditional formatting, and applying data validation to cells. Choose between either the classic ribbon or a modern simplified ribbon with all the functionality. Get insights with by and data analysis features, for example. Analyze your data with the new and improved pivot table experience. Co-authoring lets you work simultaneously with your colleagues on the same cloud workbook so you can see their changes update in real time. Use show changes to see any edits made to your spreadsheet. Leave comments and mentions. As we continue to improve Excel for the Web, you'll see the newest and most innovative features on the web. First, Excel for the Web has come a long way since its humble beginnings as a lightweight, browser-based alternative to the desktop app. Today, it is a fully featured, cloud-based powerhouse that offers users a combination of accessibility, real-time collaboration, mobile flexibility, and advanced functionality. Whether used by individuals for personal projects or by businesses for enterprise-level data analysis, Excel for the Web has firmly cemented its place as an essential tool in the digital age. With ongoing innovations, including AI automation, Excel for the Web will continue to evolve, offering even more powerful capabilities to users around the world. In many ways, its journey from a simple web app to a sophisticated tool for data analysis and collaboration mirrors the broader evolution of cloud-based software, offering a glimpse of the future of work. Try Excel for the Web to explore all these features and more.